try that electric grid design that we did as a background filler on point. I'm Lauren Jackson, an APQS sales rep and educator. First, you're going to find your sashing. You're going to make an even grid, slicing it in half and then evenly dividing it across. Then you're going to create a diamond design going through the middles of those squares. Then you're going to go ahead and get your thread started and start the back and forth electric grid filler that we did in our previous video, except you're only going to work it in the tiny little triangles on the diagonal. See how I'm staying true to the line that it's sitting on to keep it flat with the edge? And then I'm working my way in those tiny little triangles, just traveling when I get to the tip and bringing that design down as I go. You can see that if you do well with your marking, you won't have to have anything confusing you as you're quilting. So I hope it's easy for you to follow along as we go through some of my overlap marking designs. Now you can see kind of the idea behind what we're doing. It creates this block on point design, and I don't have to know how to do any kind of fancy fillers. I can just do the simple back and forth filler to give me that block on point. You can always take this one step further by filling in those blocks when you're all done with your electric grid design. Thank you guys for joining me. Again, I'm Lauren Jackson, your APQS sales rep and educator, and I wanted to share this design with you. Take care and happy quilting. If you used a chalk, don't be afraid to brush it off so you can see your beautiful design in all its glory.